Leaf rollers, the caterpillars of certain species of moths, are common tree and shrub-infesting pests that feed on leaves, fruits, and nuts. When they mature, leaf rollers roll leaves around their bodies to pupate. Rolled leaves lead to a loss of nutrients, discoloration, and wilting, which may be contributing factors to the death of desirable foliage. In this video, we'll go over how to identify leaf rollers, how to control an infestation, and how to prevent them from breaking out in the future. Check out the video's description for timestamps if you want to jump to a specific point. To shop for the products featured in this video and to learn more about pest control, click the links in the video's description and get free shipping on your order. The first thing you should do in any pest control plan is identify what you're dealing with. Careless identification can lead to the wrong treatment methods, costing you time and money. Leaf roller larvae will vary in appearance based on their exact species. Many larvae will be dark green, light green, cream, brown, or yellow in color. Their bodies are cylindrical, they can grow up to a length of around 3/4 of an inch, and their head capsules may be black or brown. The head capsules may also match the color of the rest of the leaf roller's body. As moths, leaf rollers are typically brown with a mottled pattern. The exact pattern will vary from species to species. Inspection is the next phase of any good pest control plan. Once you know what to look for, check around your property to confirm the pest's presence or find activity hotspots. Check for leaf roller larvae in trees and shrubs. Different species of leaf roller will be active throughout the year, either during the warmer months or the cooler months. The clearest signs of leaf roller activity appear as leaves that have been rolled into themselves. These rolled leaves contain the pests as they pupate and may be wrapped in silk. Prior to rolled leaves appearing, the larvae's feeding activity gives leaves a ragged or curled appearance. Adult leaf roller moths are nocturnal, which may make it difficult to spot them. After identifying your pest and inspecting your property, it's time to start treatment. Before starting any treatment, be sure to wear your personal protective equipment or PPE, and remember to keep people and pets out of the treated areas until products dry completely. To get rid of leaf rollers on your property, apply mechanical control methods first. Remove infested or decaying tree limbs, leaves, and other plant parts. If you spotted any rolled leaves or leaves with eggs, prune those away and dispose of them off your property. Next, apply an insecticide like Supreme IT. Supreme IT is a pyrethrin-based liquid insecticide concentrate that is able to treat over 70 different pests. When applied, Supreme IT will leave a residual chemical barrier that will control pests for up to 90 days after application. In a handheld pump sprayer, mix 0.25 to 0.5 fluid ounces of product with 1 gallon of water to apply over 1,000 square feet. Once your solution is well mixed, apply to all foliage on your property. Treat plants from above and below to coat all leaf surfaces, and allow the product to dry completely before allowing people or pets back in the area. Prevention is essential to keeping pests in check. Even after applying pesticides, the best way to stop pest activity is to ensure it can't happen. The best way to prevent pest infestation is to maintain the health of your yard and remove potential harborage sites. Rake away fallen leaves and remove plant debris. Mow your lawn regularly to maintain a thick growing density, and water your lawn deeply with at least 1 inch of water every week. If infested plant parts start to reappear, remove them as soon as possible to prevent the leaf rollers from spreading. Finally, make regular reapplications of Supreme IT. One application lasts for up to 90 days, so reapply this product every 3 months to maintain protection year-round. With these professional products and tips from Solutions Pest and Lawn, you can stop leaf rollers from infesting your trees or shrubs, and we offer fast, free shipping to help you get control quickly. Visit our website to get your products today. If you like this how-to guide, please share, and if you're new to our channel, subscribe for more how-to and product videos. And contact us for more tips, tricks, and DIY pest solutions.